So I want to come with the with keyword. The with keyword can be used by many people in different ways. Depends on the person. Depends on what the person wants to do with it. But in this case, I'm going to give you an example of using it with a file. Now imagine I want to open a file. Not imagine, but so you do it. So let's imagine I want to open a file. It's called @file.txt. I created the file in the directory where I saved my Python file. So I open the file. Then I want to check. I do some things. I do some things here. Do some things here with the file. Then after, I want to check if the file is closed. If I run the code, you can see that I called file.closed, but it's not closed, false. But now with the with keyword, what I can do, I can say with I open my file as file. Do some things with it. Then after doing the things with it, I come here and I check if the file is closed. You can see it return for me true. Yes, your file is closed. So what does that mean with the with keyword? It will help you to close files after using them. Open files and use them, and it closes them automatically without you needing to close them. So that is how you use the with keyword. One example, but you can use the with keyword in many ways. But this is one example of how to use the with keyword. So yeah, that is it.